guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to add barcodes to products in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on the products to view your product list. Next, click on the product you want to edit. If your product does not have any variants, scroll down a bit and you will see the SKU and barcode fields. Click on it. From here, you can simply type in or paste your barcode in the barcode field. After that, click Save, and Shopify will save this and apply it to your product. Now, if your product has variants like different colors or sizes, the process is slightly different. Click on the product with variants, and you will see a list of each variant below. Click on the products with variants, and you will see a list of each variant below, like pink and beige, for example. Click the checkbox below the variants. Then, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Click on Edit Barcodes. Now you will be able to manually enter a barcode for each individual variant. After adding the barcodes, click Done. Then, click Save. And that's it. That's how you add barcodes to your Shopify products, whether they have variants or not. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.